Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace a mass airflow sensor in this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to disconnect this electrical connector right here. There's a little lock tab on it, so just pull that little red lock tab out and we can unlock the connector, push down, slide the connector off. We're going to take a T25 and a ratchet, loosen up these bolts or screws. Take that screw out, and then we'll take the other one out. Pull that screw out. We can grab the sensor, just slide it straight forward, pull it out. Here's the old mass airflow sensor. Here's the new mass airflow sensor from 1aauto.com. If you look, it's the same shape. It's got the same machining, same screw holes. If you look at the connector is the same, backside is the same. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. All right, we'll take the new sensor and just slide it in position, just like that. You're gonna wanna, it only goes on one way. This little tab on the connector is at the top. So you're going to want to do that the same way, just like that. Take the screw, slide that back in. I'm going to get the other screw started as well before I tighten these down. All right, both screws are started. You just snug these down, not too tight. You are tightening in plastic, so be careful. And just snug. Take the connector, line this up, lock it in place, and push down on the lock tab, and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.